Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install AudiencePress to your WordPress blog using two different methods. The first is using the plugin installer within your WordPress dashboard, and the second is by using FTP. Now before you get started, you need to make sure that you have the latest zip file of the AudiencePress plugin and also your license key. So once you have downloaded the latest plugin file, which you can find in the AudiencePress download pages, it should also have been emailed to you along with your license key the moment that you have purchased AudiencePress. So please look out for it. Please also check in your spam folder for that very important email that contains your license key and the link to download the latest version. So once you have both those things, then just log into your WordPress dashboard, and of course this must be a self-hosted WordPress blog, not the free ones that you get at wordpress.com. Then click on go to plugins and click on add new plugin. Next click on upload plugin and click on choose file, and then choose the file from the place that you have downloaded it and click on install now. Okay, so now it says installing plugin from uploaded file. Plugin installed successfully. Now you notice that for me this happened automatically. It really depends on how your WordPress configuration is handled by your host. In some cases you will be asked for your FTP details in here, which you should have with you, or you can get that from your web hosting company. For me, the way WordPress is configured, the FTP details have already been automatically put in, so I can install it just like this. Next, click on activate plugin. Alright, your plugin has been activated and you should see an AudiencePress link here in the sidebar. You can click any link, it doesn't really matter. It will go to the same page which asks you to put in your license key. So what you have to do here is input your license key and then go to the bottom and click on save changes. Alright, now your license key is valid and active. You should see the green alert here, and now you can click on trackers to start adding your links and start tracking your campaigns and promotions. I'll cover that in a different video. Now let me show you how to upload this using FTP. Okay, so to connect and to install via FTP, you need an FTP application. I recommend using FileZilla. It's free, it's open source. You can just Google for FileZilla, download it and install it to your PC or Mac. And then when you open it up, you will have to make a connection. Okay, so this is not a comprehensive tutorial on how to use FTP. I do recommend that you Google it if you've never used an FTP before. But basically, to make a connection, you need to know the FTP address of your website. You can get that from your web hosting company. In my case here, it's ftp.cradle.com. Enter your username, enter your password, and then click on Quick Connect. You'll be able to see the connection status over here. And now that I have connected, you have to go into your public_html folder or www folder. Just click to go into that folder and look for WP content. Go into that folder and click on plugins to go into the plugins folder. So this is where you will have to upload the AudiencePress plugin. Now, unlike the earlier method, to upload it this way, you have to uncompress or extract the file, the AudiencePress file. You cannot upload a zip file. Okay, so I've done that in my desktop right now. I have the AudiencePress folder extracted. So if I click through that, I will be able to see all the files for the plugin. Now let me click up. So I need to upload the entire folder here. Make sure that I am uploading to WP-content, and the folder, the correct folder in WP content is the plugins folder. So now I just right click and click on upload to start the upload process. So once the upload has been complete, you should see the bottom window here completely empty. It means all processes are complete. Now you can log in to your WordPress site, go to the plugins folder, and you should see AudiencePress right here. Click on activate, and you would have activated AudiencePress. Again, you should see AudiencePress right here. Click on AudiencePress, and you'll be prompted to enter your license key. Again, if this is the first time you're using it, you should go to the help page automatically, where you will enter your license key. So just like before, you'll enter your license key here, click save changes, and AudiencePress will be valid and activated for your WordPress blog. Now, one important thing to note here, AudiencePress licenses are by installation. Okay, so if you have purchased a single installation license, you'll be able to install it on one WordPress blog, and you cannot install it on other WordPress blogs, although it may be on the same domain. That's how our licenses go, and you can always get back to us to check for your license information.